Attention, are you prone to provoking mosquitoes? You may not know that among the animal kingdom, the small, weak mosquito is the #1 killer that threatens humans. Every year, 725,000 people die from diseases caused by mosquito bites. Mosquitoes are a great threat to people, so you should prepare protection for yourself. Mosquitoes are disease-transmitting pests. After being bitten by mosquitoes, apart from itching, they can infect you with 4 main diseases. The first is malaria, which has been listed by the World Health Organization (WHO) as one of 3 of the most dangerous diseases in the world, with the other 2 being AIDS and tuberculosis. Every year, hundreds of thousands to millions of people die of malaria worldwide. The second is dengue fever, with a fatality rate of 15% to 50%. It is transmitted by Aedes albopictus, also known as flower mosquitoes, and occurs frequently from June to November. As long as there is a mosquito bite, there is a possibility of dengue fever. The third type is Japanese encephalitis. Children are the main victims. It occurs mostly in summer and autumn, and is mainly transmitted by Culex arrhinchus. The last type is Chikungunya fever, which is a foreign disease. The initial symptoms are similar to dengue fever, but apart from the high fever and rash, there is also a significant amount of joint pain, which can cause great damage to the joints, as they can lose function in a few hours. Chikungunya fever is also transmitted by Aedes albopictus. In 2020, West Nile virus mosquitoes were discovered in New Mexico, USA. West Nile virus is a potentially serious disease that is transmitted to humans through the bite of an infected mosquito. How do mosquitoes find their prey? Mosquitoes locate their prey using smell, temperature and vision. The stimulation of smell is the most important. Who the mosquitoes bite has nothing to do with blood type or gender, but with the strength of the signal sent by the human body to the mosquito. The strong signal is conducted through the air and can attract the mosquito to find the target quickly. The main signals emitted by the human body to attract mosquitoes include carbon dioxide released by breathing, lactic acid and sweat, body temperature, humidity, and metabolites of skin bacteria. The mechanism for mosquitoes to detect their prey is quite complicated. Its long-range radar, which detects carbon dioxide, can sense the prey at a long distance. When it gets close to the prey, it uses a short-range radar, which detects body temperature, humidity, color, and carbohydrate metabolism such as lactate. The resulting smell is used to locate the prey. Main reason for attracting mosquitoes from a long distance: respiratory metabolism. The human body can release about 400 metabolic compounds, and at least 100 compounds can be detected in the human breath. Among them, carbon dioxide and lactic acid have been shown to be important compounds for attracting mosquitoes. Carbon dioxide is mainly released through respiration and skin excretions. It has a long action time and can be sensed by mosquitoes from a distance as far as 100 feet, or about 30 meters away. Lactic acid, or L-lactic acid, exists in human sweat and the oral cavity. It is a metabolite of bacteria that breaks down sugars. Lactic acid itself does not have a strong olfactory response to lure-ejecting mosquitoes, but mixing with carbon dioxide and ammonia can enhance the olfactory response of mosquitoes. Main cause that attracts mosquitoes nearby: body odor. At close range, skin temperature, moisture, or humidity, and sweat become the main factors in attracting mosquitoes. Mosquitoes particularly like to bite people's head and feet, which may be related to body temperature and sweat gland secretions in these parts. People who are less prone to sweating are less likely to be favored by mosquitoes. The body sebum, exocrine glands, and sweat glands secrete compounds, including lactic acid, product of anaerobic fermentation of glucose, pyruvate, product of fat metabolism, and dimethyl disulfide, derivatives of bacterial decomposition of protein. This mixture is a strong temptation for mosquitoes. The composition of the metabolic compounds excreted by everyone is similar, but the ratio of the combination of these compounds can vary greatly from person to person. Whether it is too high or too low will raise or reduce the attraction of mosquitoes. This can also explain why mosquitoes have a selective preference when biting people to suck blood. Therefore, these people are more favored by mosquitoes. 1. People with large skin flora. Everyone has a unique group of microbes on the surface of their skin. These microbes determine how attractive a person is to mosquitoes. The effect of skin flora types is relatively small, but people with a large amount of skin flora are more likely to attract mosquitoes. The less people bathe, the more complex and numerous the flora on their body will be, and the easier it will be to attract mosquitoes. 2. People who emit a lot of carbon dioxide. In addition to the microorganisms on the skin surface, the reason for attracting these mosquitoes is carbon dioxide. First of all, fat people and pregnant women are more popular with mosquitoes, because they may exhale higher carbon dioxide content than ordinary people. In addition, people who sweat often, those who do exercises, and those who do physical labor will exhale relatively more carbon dioxide, and the temperature and humidity of their skin also increase, which is also convenient for directional tracking of mosquitoes. 3. People who have a great taste. Experiments have shown that people's attraction to mosquitoes rises from 50% to 65% after drinking alcohol, because drinking will change the body odor and make people more attractive to mosquitoes. Of course, in addition to drinking alcohol, using perfume, hairspray, facial cream, and other floral cosmetics will also increase the chance of being bitten by mosquitoes. This is because most cosmetics contain chemical ingredients that can attract mosquitoes. 4. People who dress in dark colors. Mosquitoes are attracted to the dark. Mosquitoes are afraid of light and don't like brightness. They like to be in low-light environments. In the daytime, when people wear dark clothes, the reflected light is darker, which is exactly what they want. Therefore, people who wear dark clothes and have a darker complexion are more likely to be stinged. 5. Mosquitoes prefer children and pregnant women. Children in the developmental stage are also prone to provoking mosquitoes because of their fast metabolism. During menstruation or pregnancy, women have a faster metabolism and faster perspiration due to endocrine changes, thus making it more likely for them to attract mosquitoes. Before giving birth, pregnant women exhale 1/5 more carbon dioxide than women who are not pregnant, and the moist gas and carbon dioxide exhaled are highly attractive to mosquitoes. In addition, compared with non-pregnant women, the temperature of the abdomen of pregnant women is higher, and the higher the body temperature, the more volatile substances on skin are. These volatile substances are mostly octanol, which is a favorite for mosquitoes. If you are a physique prone to mosquitoes, you should be more careful to prepare for it. Wear light-colored clothes, try to wear long-sleeved trousers, and coat mosquito repellent when you are out in the wild. Life is too short, try to avoid pain and danger. Thank you for supporting this channel. Please share this video and subscribe to see more in the future. Have a nice day, and stay tuned for more.